Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And guys, I just came out of CVS and I wanted to hurry up get on here, do this video for you guys because it is a CVS glitch and I'm not sure how long it's going to last. And I want to make sure that everyone can get out and do it real fast. So what you want to do is you want to open up your CVS app because we're going to clip a whole bunch of coupons from the CVS app, and you want to check your email to see if you have any of the percentage off coupons, like 32% off, 40% off, 30% off, 20%, anything like that, because that's going to help bring down your out of pocket. But what we're going to do, guys, we're going to get a bunch of Revlon makeup for just about free. It's going to be an amazing deal. But actually, it is going to end up being free once we get our extra bucks back from the beauty bucks and beauty club, whatever you want to call it. So guys, I'm going to flip the camera around so that we can go ahead and get started with the deal. Okay guys, so I'm going to apologize in advance just in case you hear the car running or you hear my air conditioner on. It's still 77 here and it's humid. So I wanted to turn the air on so that I don't burn up, and I just got my hair done yesterday with my little curls in it, so I don't want to lose my curls. So I apologize if you hear the air, but I had to have it on. All right, so guys, this week at CVS, meaning this week ending, the deal started September the 11th and they end Saturday the 17th. So Revlon, there's a deal for Revlon. I just need the camera to focus here. Okay, so when you buy any Revlon products, I don't know why my phone's acting crazy. Focus. Okay, well, I'll just talk while it's deciding if it's going to focus or not. But when you buy any Revlon products and you spend $15, they're going to give you $5 back in extra bucks. I want you to be able to see the fine print. Let me see if I make it bigger, and then there we go. Okay, so any Revlon cosmetics or tools, you can get tools. When you spend $15, they're going to give you $5 in extra bucks. And look, you can do the deal 6 times. So if you do it 6 times, that's a total of $30 in extra bucks you're going to get back. And you don't have to do it all in 1 or 2 transactions. It will track for you. So if you spend $17 this time, $2 is going to track for the next transaction for you. I believe that's how it goes. But anyway, you could do the deal 6 times. So the transaction that I'm going to do, I'm actually going to do it 4 times. Okay, so you want to go into your CVS app. Now, I consider this a coupon / CRT glitch. Other people just consider it a regular glitch. Some people just consider it a mistake. Whatever, we're getting a good deal. So you want to go into your CVS app, and unfortunately, I can't pull it up because I didn't get the coupons on my app. So everyone didn't get these coupons. Some people got one, some people got both of them, some people didn't get any of them. But see if you have a CRT that says buy 2, get 1 Revlon lip product for free. So basically, that coupon or CRT is saying that when you buy 2 Revlon products, you're going to get Revlon lip products, you're going to get 1 free. And then the other one is for a face product, is buy 2 Revlon face products and get 1 Revlon face product for free. So if you're going to use both of those coupons, you have to buy a total of 6 products. 3 face products and 3 lip products. Now, you might be saying, well, where is the glitch? The glitch is that, excuse me, let's go back because I said it wrong. Excuse me. Is buy 2, get 1 free lip products. But what happens is usually when they have those coupons, the all of their lip products aren't included. It's usually just the lipstick. I really wish that I had the coupon to show you guys so you would know the exact wording, but I was running, like trying to get this deal done really fast in the store, so I couldn't even get a picture of it for you. But then the other one is buy, and well, what I was saying, it doesn't usually include the lip balms, the kiss balms, and all of that. And then the buy two get one free compacts. So usually it says you have to buy the compacts, not like the foundation or the powder or anything like that. But these two coupons, this is where the glitch is. These two coupons are working on any face product and any lip product. No eye, just face and lip. So it is working on the kiss bombs, and it is working on the pressed powders. So let me show you guys what I got. So I got 3 kiss bombs, all three different scents, because I wanted to make sure that it didn't just work on certain ones, but it did. It worked on, I scanned all of the flavors in the app, and it attached to all of them, and then I just bought 3 different ones. So these are the 3 lip products that I got. Didn't get lipstick. I got the kiss bombs, and they're $6.29. You know I'm always going to go the cheapest route. So that's what I did. I was going to get the lipstick, but the lipstick was way more expensive. The cheapest lipstick my store had was like $12 and something. I wasn't doing that. So I got the lip balms. So that means that I paid for 2 at $6.29 each, and I got the third one for free. Then I got the pressed powder. I did not get the compacts. I got the pressed powder. The coupon says buy 2 compacts and get 1 free. But it does work on the pressed powders. It also works on the foundations. But I didn't get those. I got the pressed powders. And the pressed powders were $14.49. Okay. And you see I got 3 of those. Now, what I also did, go through your app, and again, or your email, because every Thursday, they usually text us a new coupon in our email or send it through text. They send it through text or email. And it's usually either a spend coupon, like spend 30, get $6 off, or it might be a percentage off coupon, like 32% off, 30% off, 40% off. I had a 32% off. So if you have any of those types of coupons, use those with your transaction so that it will help lower your out-of-pocket. Now, if you use a percentage coupon, do not use any extra bucks to pay, because that will lower the amount of the percentage that's coming off. But if you have a spend coupon, like spend 30, get $6 off, you can, and you don't use a percentage coupon, you can use extra bucks to pay. So I used the 32% off coupon. So when you add everything up that I got, it came to like 60 some dollars. So that's why I said I was going to do the deal 4 times, because it's spend $15 and get $5 back in extra bucks. And if I'm spending $60, then that means I'm doing the deal 4 times. So let me show you my receipt. So there are my Revlon Kiss Bombs, 3 of them. And then there's my 3 compacts. My 3 pressed powders. There you see the coupon, buy 2, get 1 free. Revlon, see it says compact, but it does attach to the pressed powders and the foundations. And then there's the buy 2, get 1 free Revlon. And again, that's supposed to be lipstick, but it does attach to the kiss bombs. So see, it took the full percentage off, the full price off for the buy 1, get 1 free. Then I also had a $4 off 20 Revlon makeup coupon, so I used that. And I had a $2 off select beauty products. It was off of Almay, Maybelline, and Revlon, so I used that. So that gave me an extra $6 off. Then I used my 32% off coupon, and look how much it took off, guys, $11.38. Now, when you're doing your calculations, the 32% coupon is going to come off after all of the other coupons and all of the other freebies. So the 32% came off after they took off the $14.49 for the free pressed powder, after they took off the $6.29 for the Kiss Bomb, after the $4 CRT and the $2 CRT, and that took off a whopping $11.38. So there you see, I paid $24.18. And remember, I said, do not use extra bucks. I had $35 in extra bucks, which I could have used. But if I would have done that, then it wouldn't have taken off the $11.38. So what I did is I used a gift card from Fetch. And then I also used, I used a $5 gift card from Fetch. And then I used my debit card to pay the rest. So altogether, I paid $24.18 out of pocket, right? But guys, look, I did the deal 4 times. I got back $20 in extra bucks. So when you take the $20 from the $24.18, that means I paid $4.18 out of pocket. So guys, look. I paid $4.18 for 3 pressed powders and 3 Kiss Bombs. When you divide $4.18 by 6 items, that means I paid 70 cents for each one of these items. But guys, you know that we're going to get extra bucks back from the beauty club. So basically, when I get those extra bucks back from the beauty club, this is actually going to be a free haul. So guys, look through your CRTs, see if you have those buy 2 get 1 free CRTs. Look through your email and your text, see if you have a percentage off, or see if you have any type of spend threshold coupons, and go out and do the deal before they fix the glitch with the CRT. So come back, let me know what you did, let me know what you were able to find, and until the next time, keep on saving.